Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to go over the Friday, July 14th, the London Silver Bullet. This dark gray shaded area is the 3 a.m. to 4 a.m. Eastern Time. So that is your Silver Bullet hour. So when we come here, where are we? Well, we see that we've taken some sell side already. And then more sell side here. So sell side liquidity has been taken. Okay, you can see that it just keeps going back. We're here, start of the day here. The blue line is the midnight opening price. You can see that we've taken sell side here. So when we start the 3 a.m., we're looking, see, are we going to continue down, continue going, or are we going to have a reversal, right? So as price comes up, it stops. It does leave a fair value gap right here. Okay, price doesn't come back into that, but we don't have a market structure shift yet. So if there's just this is just a fair value gap right now. Where would your market structure shift be? For me, it'd be right here. Okay. Why? Because I'd say this is a swing high that created this swing low. You could use this. They're relatively equal highs, so just there's your market structure shift for me. So when it breaks through this, now I'm looking at where's your first fair value gap, and it's right here. Okay, so price continues to go up and up and up, right? Doesn't come back up to the midnight opening price, comes down, and you see another fair value gap right here, right? So now we're still looking to go long here, right? So if I take a fib and I go from the low to the high, we can't buy in a premium. So this fair value gap, we can't buy into, because here's the equilibrium is 50%. We want to go long down here. So we're waiting for either this fair value gap or optimal trade entry, which is right here, and anywhere in between here. So it just kind of magically lines up perfectly in here. So this one is a no. It's a fair value gap, yes, but it's not one that I would use to enter on right now. So for me, that's a no, okay, because that's in premium. So let me just change my thing here to show you premium and discount here. So see, that is all in premium, so I can't buy it. Down here, I could buy to go long. You can sell up here to go short. Okay, so that fair value gap is a no-go for me. Let's go back to this so I can show you optimal trade entry. So as price comes down past equilibrium, it stops right here at optimal trade entry and the fair value gap. So you can buy right there when it comes in the fair value gap. You can also buy right here, right? So let's put our position on here. Where would your stop go? One tick below the low here, which is the third candle, the first candle of the 3 candle pattern. One tick below, which happens to be the low. And that looks like a lot, but it's actually just one tick. Because we don't get that much handles in the London session this time. So where would our draw on liquidity be? Well, it'd be here, or this high, or this high. That's what you're targeting. You have 5 points here. So as price came up, you could take a partial right here. So that's where my partial would be. Let's mark that on here so you can see it. So when I take the fib off, you can see that's where my partial would be taken right there. Let's take the fib off here. So you take a partial right here, and then you'd move your stop to break even, and you'd let it play out. Okay? So we get done right there. So that is your London Silver Bullet for July 14th.